There are more innocent people in jails and prisons today than ever before. The rate of exonerations continues to rise, revealing an unreliable system of criminal justice. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the top 5 reactions of innocent convicts set free. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. John Bunn. A man broke down in court after being cleared of murder 27 years after he was wrongly convicted as a teenager. John Bunn wept as he thanked a New York judge for exonerating him of the 1991 shooting of correction officer Rolando Nisher. He was just 14 when arrested over the killing and spent 17 years in prison after being convicted of murder based on tainted evidence. As the judge read out that he had been exonerated, Mr. Bunn became emotional, walked to the bench, and clutched her hands. "I want to say thank you, Your Honor, because it's been 27 years I've been fighting for my life," he told her. The Daily News reports the judge, Brooklyn Supreme Court Justice Shondia Simpson, was emotional herself. Number 4. David RANTA. David RANTA spent 23 years in prison until the Conviction Integrity Unit of the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office concluded after a year-long investigation that the case against him was fatally flawed. "Sir, you are free to go," Acting State Supreme Court Justice Miriam Sorolnik told RANTA at a Brooklyn courthouse as relatives, including his daughter who was an infant when he was jailed, erupted in tears and shouts of joy. Prosecutors had joined RANTA's defense attorney, Pierre Sussman, in asking Sorolnik to vacate RANTA's conviction in the interest of justice. "The evidence no longer establishes the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt," said Assistant District Attorney John O'Mara, the chief of the Conviction Integrity Unit. Number 3. Luis Vargas. A man has been exonerated after spending 16 years in jail because he had the same teardrop tattoo as a serial rapist. Luis Lorenzo Vargas was convicted of sexually assaulting 3 women in 1999 after jurors decided he was the so-called teardrop rapist, an unidentified attacker who is now believed to have raped 39 women over 20 years from 1995. But following a long-standing campaign to have him released, a judge in Los Angeles has reversed the conviction after DNA testing proved he did not commit the crime. Mr. Vargas burst into tears as the judge told him he had been cleared and mouthed "I love you" to his weeping mother, who was also in the courtroom with his daughter. Speaking outside the court, his mother, Blanca Alator, told the LA Times, "I still feel a lot of anger. This can't happen to other people. It just can't. It's unfair." Number 2. Daniel Villegas. The jury of 7 women and 5 men deliberated for about 9 hours, starting Thursday evening and lasting through most of the day Friday, before reaching their decision. Villegas wept as he awaited the announcement and then collapsed to his knees when it was read. His family and supporters, who packed the courtroom, erupted in applause. After 409th District Court Judge Sam Medrano dismissed the jurors, Villegas and his family hugged and then rushed to the elevator, saying only that he was very happy and excited by the verdict. Villegas and his family then went to pray at Street Mark Catholic Church. Number 1. Ricky Jackson. Ricky Jackson left his life behind bars today, walking out of the Justice Center after spending 39 years in prison for a crime he didn't commit. Finally, he said, as he walked past guards and into the arms of one of his attorneys, Brian Howe. Jackson smiled and met well-wishers and childhood friends. As he left the Justice Center, he took in his first breaths of fresh air, placing his hands to his face in shock. "It's extraordinary," he told reporters earlier. "I'm glad to be out. It has been an emotional roller coaster. The English language doesn't have the words to express how I'm feeling right now." He repeatedly thanked the Ohio Innocence Project, and he thanked county prosecutors for showing integrity to drop the case. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.